Hello YouTube, just making a video reviewing on my Elgin open face pocket watch. Let's get started. It has a wide dial, unfortunately the case shows some wear and tear, but I do like it that way. It does have 3 little notches here and also one little dent here, but again I do like it that way when it shows the wear and tear. I like the patina. Also the crystal, which seems to be made out of a plastic material or acrylic, does have some scratches. Fortunately none of them are deep and it can be polished. I will be making a separate video on that. And you just rotate the bezel counterclockwise and it comes off. I don't know how well you can see it. Get the light a little bit better. Alright, here we go. If you wanted to set the time, pretty standard. Just pull on the crown. It is relatively smooth. Nothing to brag about, but it gets the job done. And then in case you needed to access the movement, the crown has to be pulled out as you will set the time. And if you look here, there is a actual indentation or notch where you can put your nail and it does pull up. I'm gonna move it a little bit so I don't hit it with my finger. Let's try my thumb. I think actually it's made for the thumb, not for the index finger. Okay, here we go. Pretty standard Elgin movement. This is a size 18, 7 Jewel. This is a Model 5 and grade 288. The serial number on this particular movement is 1340870. And in case you wanted to remove the movement out of the actual case, you would unscrew these two screws here, this one here and this one here. In case you want to regulate the time, you would just move this lever here, and let me dim the light a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Actually that doesn't help that much. Right here. Okay. Okay, if you look closely, there's a F here, which means it's for faster, and then S for slower. I purchased this particular model on eBay. It was about $35 to $50 with shipping fees and everything. I don't remember the exact price, but it was around that range. These are very affordable. It does keep okay time. I mean, I just like to collect them. It's not that they're practical or anything. It's not that I use them. Anyways, this was my first official review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, no big deal.